In our previous videos, we have done 4 types of constructions of quadrilaterals. So how many dimensions do we need to draw a quadrilateral? Observe carefully, you will find that in all these cases, we had 5 parts of the quadrilateral given to us. It means we need 5 dimensions to construct a unique quadrilateral. What do you mean by unique? Unique means which has a fixed shape and size. Today we are going to consider some special cases. Let us first discuss how many dimensions are required for those cases. For a square, we need only one side. Why? Because we know that all the sides are equal and all the angles are of 90 degrees. So just by knowing one side, we come to know all the dimensions and we can use them to construct the square. In rectangle, we need only 2 adjacent sides as opposite sides are equal and all the angles are of 90 degrees. In rhombus, we need only 2 diagonals because we know that diagonals are perpendicular to each other and they also bisect. For a parallelogram or a rhombus, we can also construct if we know 2 adjacent sides and the angle between them. Can you imagine what will happen if we don't have any one of these dimensions? If we know only the 2 adjacent sides and not the angle, then the direction of the sides cannot be fixed, and as you can see in this figure, we can have parallelogram of different shapes because we can take different angles by ourselves. Let's try some examples. In the first case, we have to construct a square READ and we are given side RE. Let's draw the rough figure quickly. As you can see, we know all the 4 sides now and also the angle E. We can start our construction with any one side. I am drawing the side EA equal to 5.1 centimeters. Next, I will construct the 90-degree angle at E point. So I have extended the line a little bit. Quickly construct 90-degree angle. The ray which you are going to draw here should be longer than the other side, which is again 5.1 centimeter long. Now the point R lies on this ray EX at a distance of 5.1 centimeter from E. So we will take radius 5.1 centimeter, center at E and cut an arc on the ray EX to get the point R. Now the fourth vertex D of this square is at the same distance 5.1 centimeter from both the points R and A. So taking 5.1 centimeter radius and centers at R and A one by one, we will draw 2 arcs intersecting each other at some point above the line segment EA. This will give us the fourth vertex D. On joining it to R and A, the square is complete. In the second example, we are asked to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are given to us. As no name is given, we will consider a name by ourselves. So let's draw the rough figure for that. I am naming this figure as ABCD. You can name it in any way. Now we are going to use the property of rhombus, which says that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. This means the point O of intersection of these diagonals will divide both of them into equal parts. So OB and OD will both be equal to half of 5.2 centimeters, that is 2.6 centimeters. We will start our construction with the diagonal AC. So let's start. Draw AC equal to 6.4 centimeter. To find its midpoint, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. And thus we get the point O. Now the points B and D are lying on this perpendicular bisector at equal distances 2.6 centimeter. So we will take 2.6 centimeter as radius on our compass, place it on center O and cut 2 arcs on the perpendicular bisector. These 2 points are B and D. Joining these points to A and C, we finally get the rhombus ABCD. If you are given the side of the rhombus and the angles between them, then you will construct it just like the square. Now can you try this figure? We have to construct a rectangle whose adjacent sides are given to us. I have again named this figure as ABCD. As per the rough figure, AD and BC are 4 cm each and AB and CD are 5 cm each because in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Also all the angles are 90 degree. So we can take angle A as 90 and we will now do the construction just like we have constructed the square. So start your construction with line segment AB and construct 90-degree angle at point A. Now take AD equal to 4 cm as the radius, center at A and cut an arc on the ray AX. This gives us the vertex D of the rectangle. The vertex C is at distance 4 cm from the point B, so we will take 4 cm as radius, center at B and cut an arc above AB. Next, taking center at point D and radius CD equal to 5 cm, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point C. Joining C to D and B, the rectangle is completed. I hope you have understood all these methods properly. Just practice them. If you want to watch the other methods, you can see the links in the description box. We will meet again with some other methods in the next video. Till then, take care.